What's up everybody, Fritz here. In today's video, we're going to be upgrading the turn signals on the M235i and going over why this is one of the most overlooked modifications on any BMW. Let's get into it. Happy New Year, everybody. I hope all of you had a fun and enjoyable holiday season, and I know that 2020 wasn't the best year for most of us. But because of that, I want to help jumpstart the 2021 year really strong. And by doing that, we're going to slightly extend the holiday season from 2020. And if you want to get right into the video, go ahead and jump forward 1 minute and 9 seconds from right now. So I hope all of you enjoyed a little bit of that holiday cheer from me to you. And if you couldn't tell from that video, one of the things that I enjoy the most out of the holiday seasons, other than the friends, family, and food, is the lights. And that's exactly why the first modification of 2021 is going to be upgrading these turn signal lights. And the reason why we're doing this modification is, one, because aesthetically, these turn signals with the clear lights here throws off the look and feel of the BMW. And BMW even realized this themselves. This is exactly why they upgraded the newer models of BMW to have a sleeker finish on the side mirrors. And this also has a functional aspect to it, in which, because of the different light pattern that is projected from the side marker, the oncoming traffic is going to notice you a whole lot more, because these side markers are really meant for the people that are approaching you or in the opposite lane of traffic when you're making a left or right turn. And this modification should take you no more than 5 to 10 minutes. All that you really have to do is tilt up your side mirrors and then wedge in a plastic trim tool to pop out the mirror. This will give you access to the locking pins that hold in the mirror cap. Go ahead and push those in and push out the mirror cap. Then you have to undo the 3 T10 torque screws that hold in the turn signal, and then the 1 T10 torque screw from the front. And this is important because the bottom housing of the side mirror holds in the turn signal. Now you don't need to remove it, you just need to loosen it up a little bit to remove the turn signal. Unplug it, and then plug in your new turn signal, place it in, put back in the 3 T10 torque screws from the rear, the 1 in the front, pop back in your mirror cap. And I know that BMWs on the newer models, they use the same body color, or they went with a carbon fiber look. I wanted something a little bit different here, so I went with a gloss black look, because I think that gloss black look gives a nice accent, and the matte finish on these turn signals gives a little bit more depth to the angling of the car. But let me know what you prefer. Do you like the same body color mirror cap? Do you like the carbon fiber mirror cap? Or are you like me and you like something different and want to go with a gloss black mirror cap? Once you pop back in that mirror cap, go ahead and pop back in the mirror and do the same thing on the opposite side. And don't worry that the mirrors are messed up, because this is the beauty of BMWs having that memory function on the driver's seat. Go ahead and hold down your memory function button, and your mirrors will go back to their previous position when you set them. And just like that, you're all done installing the new mirror caps and turn signals on your BMW. Again, this is going to add a lot of functionality for us, because it's going to make us more visible on the road, and it's aesthetically more pleasing. So it's really a 2-for-1 here. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you're looking for any of the tools or materials that we use in this video, that will be all down in the description. If you have any additional questions for me, please leave it down in the comment section below. I'm wishing all of you the best in 2021. So happy New Year, and I'll see all of you in the next one.